So bitches act like they don't even know your name. You took the low life, and that's the highlight. Too paranoid for conversating on your highlight. You took the low life, flexing the whole time, not realizing that shit only gets you so high. You got a chain round your wrist, isn't that how it goes?
What's goody, what's goody, what's goody? It's your girl, Saturday DK. Yep, that's me, and I'm back again with another video. So excuse my voice, guys. I'm a little hoarse, but we're going to get into this video. So right now, guys, I'm going to be prepping her face. So I just cleaned it off with some witch hazel, going in with her moisturizer, and then I'm going to prime the face. So now we're going to start the eyebrows, guys. You know the drill. For my beginners, we're just going to start. We're going to follow the natural line of her eyebrows. And we're just going to fill in those brows. So now we're going to go in with our concealer and we're going to clean up under those brows. So now I'm going to be using my P.Louise base in Room 4, and I'm going to use this as a eyeshadow base, guys. So now I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hair Volume 2 palette. And I'm going to be using that purple shade. I'm going to put that into the crease. So you're just going to tap that product in. Just tap, 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 tap it in and build that product. You know, guys, you know my routine. If those that are new, you could go back. I will leave some videos in the iCard. And you go check out some of my beginners friendly videos. Yeah. So now, guys, I'm going in with this plum color. It was like a dark, like a dark pink. close to purple, a plumlish color, guys. And the Jaclyn here in the same palette. So I'm going right under the color, that purple color I put in the crease. And now I'm going in with a clean blending brush and I'm blending everything together. Blend, blend, blend. Blend is key, guys. So now I'm going back in with my P.Louise base and I'm going to be cutting the crease, guys. Take your time with your crease. Practice make perfect. Just have patience. That is key. Just take your time. Okay, guys, now I'm going in with my Jaclyn here Volume 1, her first palette, and I'm going in with that blue color, and I'm using that on the outer corner of the crease, and then I'm going to go in with some greens and another iridescent color. So yeah, just keep watching. Yeah, she saw that. Ooh, she know. She opened that eye. It was like, yes. Okay, guys, now we're going to move on to the face. I'm just going to be covering her dark circles with some concealer and going in with some foundation. Yes, we do get a little bit of wine. I got to give a little bit of wine. Yes, we have a good time. But anyway, back to the video. So now we're going to highlight the face, the regular. If you guys are new, look, check out some of my previous videos. So right now I'm just showing her, giving her little one-on-one tips on highlight and contour. Make sure you guys blend, blend, blend. That is the key. But let's get back to the video. So now I'm going back in with some more concealer. Don't be afraid, guys, to build up that concealer. Use more coverage. It's nothing wrong with it as long as you blend. Trust the process. It always look a little crazy in the beginning, but trust the process, guys. A trick, guys, is, here's a little trick. Always go back and forth with your foundation brush to blend in everything. I go back and forth from my powder brush to my foundation brush. Here I'm just going to be adding color to her bottom lids, because what you do to the top, you do to the bottom in most cases. So now I'm going in with my lashes, guys. And I'm going to be using my lashes from my line, Fantasy Peel. So if you want these lashes, you can go to www.fantasypeelbeauty.com and get you some lashes, some lip stains, some lip glosses, guys. Yes. This is in the style True Fantasy. Yes, guys, so I'm just lining her lips with two different lip liners. One light is like a light brown, and the next one was like a darker brown. And then I'm just going to go in with a matte lipstick in the color Angel, I believe. And I had this color for a while. I'm not sure if they still sell this shade, but I do need a re-up, so I'm gonna just check it out anyway. But yeah, guys, this is basically the final look of this makeup tutorial. So I just want to say thank you, K Game, for rocking with your girls at ADK. If you like this random makeup tutorial, let me know. If you want to recreate it, do it. Don't forget to tag me, add me on social media, add my IG, ADK. And yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
I feel like I was moving fast, but y'all know.
Yeah.